Bafowethu selimemezile ikhehla for i-AFCON. So as you can see, I think o-goalkeeper vele ngiyathemba sonke besilindele njenganami. Ama-defenders uMtau, uMathuludi, uSmith, uSibisi, uModibo, uNdamani, uNgezana, uKabini, uMbowazi. Okay, la ema-defendeni I'm not surprised ngokubona uSmith uyayideserve kakhulu is such a gem. Nanokuthi having him on the bench kwi-tournament engaka ishows ukuthi ucoach uyamthemba kakhulu, and naye njengoba ucoach yamthemba, I'm sure he'll do well. So like I don't have any surprises la. I think we're gonna have uMtau. Okay, for sure value, you know, with Williams. We're gonna have uMtau on the right, we're gonna have Umodibo on the left, and then we're gonna have Ungezana Benotel B. Coming to kuma midfielders, Umkwena, Obas, I really don't like Obas, Umbata, Ostol. Okay, I think coach will continue ngomkwena noSithole. However, I will play Umkwena benoMbatha. Ngiza seziningi uMbatha is doing well, match fitness yambatha. He has the ability to go forward. That is what I love about uMbatha, to pass the ball forward. Same height, uyakwazi ukuscora from range. Kusho ukuthi whenever Umkwena ethola ibhola, it can shoot. uMbatha can also shoot. Okay, coming to uma forward, Apolis, uNkota, uMoremi, uMagopa, uFoster, uMbule, uMokwana, uCampbell, Mfukeng. Hey, umkhulu uzokuthusa yeso. Tell me how ukuthi uCampbell benoMokwana made it. But I was expecting ukuthi uMoremi won't be here. I don't think uMoremi is ready to be udlala kwi-CAF. Ngiyayithanda iPele Pirates and ngiyamthanda, but I don't think he's ready. So I assume we're gonna have so I think we're gonna have Mbule as a number 10, and then we're gonna have Nkota on the right, and then we're gonna have Mfukeko on the left. And no, I think we're gonna have Apolis on the left. I think ucoach Mfukeng umbizele kakhulu as the role in number 10 since uzwane engambizanga. So I think Apolis and Nkota, they have starting. We might see Umoremi coming in, we might see Campbell coming in, but I doubt we're gonna see Umokwana. And then we're gonna have Foster starting, but we're gonna have Magopa starting some games. So I think it's a good lineup. Angkhaleli muntu. I believe in this team. Tell me ukuthi wena ucabanga, but I really believe ukuthi we're gonna be there. Ngiyacela singajabuli masihlika kwa number 3, because we deserve it. We deserve to be, or we deserve to win the tournament. So umkhulu will always have ama surprises. Thank you.